The Meadow of Quiet Light, a guided meditation. Make yourself comfortable. Take a slow breath in, hold it for a moment, and let it out softly. As you breathe, imagine this. You are standing at the edge of a peaceful meadow. The air is cool but comforting, like a soft morning breeze brushing against your skin. The sky above you is painted in soft shades of lavender and pale gold. Every part of the landscape feels calm, slow, and safe. Before you is a narrow path made of warm, smooth stones. With each step you take, the ground feels steady beneath your feet. Supportive, inviting. Step into the meadow. You walk into the open space. Tall grasses sway gently, moving in rhythm with your breath. You notice delicate wildflowers, soft pinks, blues, and yellows, leaning toward the sunlight. Every color seems a little brighter here. Every sound feels soft and comforting. Far away, you hear a small stream, whispering like a friend quietly saying, "You're okay, just breathe." A warm light appears. As you continue walking, a warm glow begins to surround you. It's gentle, not bright, like sunlight filtered through leaves. This light wraps around your shoulders, your chest, your heart, your back like a warm blanket. You feel your muscles loosen. Your breath deepens. Your thoughts slow down and stretch out, like they finally have space. This light is here for one purpose, to help you feel safe. The bench of rest. You notice a small wooden bench beneath a flowering tree. Go ahead and sit down. Feel how the bench supports you fully, how the tree shades you, how the air around you is perfectly warm. You place your hand over your chest. Feel your heartbeat, soft, steady. The warm light gathers around your hand and moves gently into your chest. You feel the tightness fade, the heaviness lift, the anxious energy dissolve like mist in sunlight. You whisper to yourself, "I am safe. I am grounded. I am here." And the meadow whispers back, "Yes, you are." The stream of clarity. You walk toward the sound of the stream. It winds gently across the meadow, the water clear and shimmering. Kneeling beside it, you see your reflection, not stressed, not overwhelmed, but calm, centered, peaceful. Imagine placing any worries you're holding into the stream. One by one, a small worry, a heavy one, a lingering thought. You place them into the water, and the current carries them away effortlessly. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to solve anything right now. Just let them float downstream, far from your mind, far from your heart. A final breath of peace. You take one last slow breath in, feeling the warm light fill your chest, and exhale gently, feeling your body soften and release. You stand up, knowing this meadow is always here, in your mind, in your breath, in your body. Whenever you need it, you can return. It waits patiently for you. You whisper, "Thank you," and the meadow answers softly, "Come back anytime."